In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Odoo website. If you are working on a business site in Odoo, being able to make quick updates is essential. You can change text, rearrange sections, and adjust the appearance without needing technical development work. I will walk you through the exact flow you need, starting from logging in and ending with saving your changes. First, log into your Odoo instance. Before you can edit the website, you need to access the correct workspace where Odoo lets you modify pages. On your screen, open your browser and go to your Odoo application. Enter your login details and sign in. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm that you are on the main dashboard or home area because from there you can access the website module easily. Next, open the website module. This is where all the website pages and editing tools are located. Look for the app menu or the module list and select Website. You may see an icon labeled Website or something similar. When the website module opens, you should be presented with options related to your website, such as pages, menus, or the site overview. This step matters because editing your content only works from within the correct module. After that, click the Edit button in the top right corner. The Edit button is what switches the site from viewing mode into editing mode. In the upper right area of the screen, find the Edit control and click it. Once you enable editing, the page usually becomes interactive, and you will notice editable regions and controls. This is the moment where you are officially ready to make changes to the actual page layout and elements. Now you are ready to add or modify content, so drag and drop blocks from the right panel onto the page. Blocks are reusable sections that help you build pages quickly, such as banners, feature sections, call to action areas, and other layout components. In your screen's right panel, look for the blocks library. Select a block you want, then drag it onto the area of the page where you want it to appear. When you drop it, the block should be inserted into the page. If you do not see the block in the expected spot, you can move it again until it lands where you want. At this point, you can also customize what is already on the page. So click on any page element to customize its content or style. This is how you fine-tune your website so it matches your branding and messaging. For example, you might click a headline to edit the text, click an image to adjust it, or click a button to change its label or link. You may see editing options appear for that specific element. Take your time on this step and make changes carefully, because each element you click controls its own settings. When you are done making updates, click Save. Saving is important because it ensures all your changes are actually stored in the system. Locate the Save option, usually visible while you are in editing mode, and click it once you are satisfied with the page. After saving, the page should reflect your updated content, and the website will be ready for users to view. If you do not save, your changes may not persist. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.